that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. When they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. One more error gone. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just gonna like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You are getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, "Ugh, why not me?" And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know, I like bod mod, so It'll work. First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not gonna work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not gonna work first try. See? Too scared. We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's been QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time. And they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings. It's about time management. It's about managing procrastination. If you're one of those people that need an office to focus, like a quiet space, no dogs, no family, no deliveries, no whatever, then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a certain skill to be able to get work done and force yourself to get work done when you know you could do anything else. I have a TV in my office, a 3D printer in my office, a sword decanter full of really good quarter cask Lafroig scotch, right? So distractions is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it takes a certain skill to be able to get your work done when you could literally be doing anything but working. You know, depending on your meeting schedule, if you don't have a lot of meetings, you could do anything you want during the day. They wouldn't know as long as you get your work done. You know, how to get ahead in the programming world in this industry, and it's pretty interesting. It's very similar to many other industries where, like, the people that are getting a lot of work continue to get a lot of work, and the people that get spotty work always get overlooked. You know, there's some key factors. Being US based, that helps. Being on the younger side, having a good resume with a lot of names that maybe they've heard of, and then you're getting hit up by recruiters every day. You know, it's a good feeling. But in this market, in this industry, you could get laid off at any time, and then you're back to freelance. I mean, luckily there's always plenty of little websites. I remember I used to just sit there online, you know, just like apply. Hey, I'll do this for $20. Hey, I'll do this. Stability is so appreciated in this business. You've been with the company for years. It's like, it's a great feeling. And then as soon as you lose that job, it's a terrifying feeling. You're like, well, now what? Will I ever get work again? You know? Hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, you know, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd. WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. When they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not going to get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger, because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic and they're like, oh really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. One more error gone. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But, oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Because I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just gonna like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn when you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. What is going on, people? You know, somebody needs you to learn. Hey. How's it going? Happy Friday. Man, who's not excited for Friday? I'll be honest. I'm excited. And yes, I will be catching gnats all night, just like I was yesterday, probably. I know it's very entertaining to watch me swat gnats all night. But hey, yeah. What's going on? Doop-a-doo. So, made some good progress yesterday, huh? I think the next step was just kind of nailing down John's strong ability. And I already have some logic here. Did this work? Where did I leave off? Oh yeah, I was getting all confused about this logic, which is fine because honestly, it's, you know, this right here basically should be here, yeah. So it's like if it's strong. And John. Blah. Else if So if yes equals is strong and false equals includes, right? So it's kind of like that. Otherwise, right. Or, yeah, so it's kind of like this. So if yes equals that, and John, you know, true equals box dot contains, I think it's includes, right? And it gets a little bit more complicated here. It's that, right? That, or basically this doesn't exist. Or it's no. Very confusing logic. Data set is strong. So yes, or undefined equals that. Or no equals that. Great. So I don't need this. That should work. Something my brain could not handle at 2 a.m. last night. Still very confusing and very hard to read. Let's actually try to clean this up, make it a little easier. This always ends up being kind of a mess though. And uh-oh. Where's this? That goes to that. Oh, okay. That's just the final if. Okay. So, general code right here. This should do it. So now basically, if I make an item strong, at least for draggable, which I'm just gonna make a util, you know, in order to allow someone to drag or break an item if it's strong. I think I already made it strong. I did. So technically right now, John should be able to... Uh-oh. Well, it was not includes. I guess contains. Oops. I keep mixing those two up. I don't know why, but I do. Whip. Nope. I think I was right the first time. I think it was includes. Box. Oh, what am I doing? It's not just randomly box. Includes. It's box, or it's contains. And it's the image. So it's box.src contains John. Yeah, because this is my image basically. Okay, it's got to be includes then. I keep doing this. Which is it? Yeah. Alright. Well, as Graham, I cannot grab this item. So far a win. Now, if I switch to John, will I be able to? Hey! Success! It works. Only Big Bad Strong John can grab this item now. That's pretty sweet. And if I switch back to Graham, let's try it again. I have no control over it. Success! That's great. So now we have a reason to grab, to switch into different characters. At least we have the first reason. So that's pretty cool. The gameplay is slowly becoming more, I don't know, interactive. Alright, let's do it with breaking items now too. So let's convert one of these items into a breakable item. I don't know where that is. Wait, what the hell? Don't I have any? I thought I had a few items here. Oh, I might already have them. Yeah. No, it's just items. Huh. They're all gone. I must have collected them. Alright, well, let's restart. Okay, so we should have 2 items over here. Okay, cool. So let's turn this one into a breakable item. This is a... okay, mana test. Alright, you will now be breakable. And you will be strong. Awesome. So, first off, I want to turn this into a util. Just because this is really annoying to write out. So in order to do that, we're going to grab this. We're going to chill on that. And we're going to do is strong item. And we'll pass value and box. Then let's go ahead and add a new function. Alright. Function is... oops. I did that wrong. And this is going to be... what? Am I being rated by Fiorini? What up, Fiorini? Thanks for the raid, buddy. Welcome to your WordPress nightmare. You're leading a raid. I like it.
50 Rennie just followed.
What's up? Thanks for joining. Fiorini in the house. And we got my buddy Indy here leading the charge. I feel attacked. I'm not gonna lie. Yep, just working on some gameplay on the WordPress game. I just was able to get my strong logic. So like right now, Graham here, he can't grab the shirt because he's not strong enough. So now you gotta switch to John, strong guy right here, and he can grab the shirt and complete the challenge. And then you can, you know, switch back to Grame. And yeah, seems to be working well. Yeah, see? So now there's another type of item, breakable items. I'm going to make those strong as well. Because right now... Yeah, thanks. What do you stream about? You play games or... You working on a Twitch bot? Oh, hell yeah. I could use a Twitch bot. What does it do? Oh, damn it. I gotta restart. You're working on a multiplayer game in Godot. Man. I know, like, I'm the weird one for creating a game engine in WordPress, but everybody's using Godot. I feel super left out. Not anything, just getting it set up. Oh, okay. Cool. It's taken over. Yeah, you're 100% right. Like, every time I'm like, oh, I'm gonna check out a different game dev, you know? See what they're working in. Godot, 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 Godot. I think I got one Game Maker Studio. Oh, actually somebody who watches. I know, and it's powerful. I mean, I see people doing like major 3D, like Final Fantasy based, like Seashell Studios, who comes on every now and then, and I watch his stream. He's using Godot, and he's creating this major 3D Final Fantasy turn-based fighting game. And then I see people creating these really cool pixel games. What's his face? I think Grumble of Pugs is using Godot too for his like crazy bat game. And just like, I'm just the only one not doing it. But, you know, I'm a WordPress programmer, so I made my bed. I shall lie in it. It is hard not to use. I like that. Well said. Yeah, it is. It's like you have, if you're gonna use a game engine, right? It's like indie game, just use Godot. Use your Godot script. Get into it. Yeah, I think that's really cool. I can appreciate it. Well, I hope you had a good stream. Because I just got started. So it's party time. And then... So basically, I'm making just a util function for the is strong logic. Because this is just too much to type out multiple times. So basically it's like... If this... Or this, then return true. You too, man. Yeah, I hope I can catch one of your streams sometimes. I'll follow you back, and yeah, I hope we can jump in another time at a more casual level. Stream every day, except for weekends on the summertime. Well, now I don't know how to close what I just clicked on. Oh, there we go. It's just covered. Alright. Well, let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, what do we want your Twitch bot to do, Indy? Maybe tell jokes based off of other people's messages. Yeah, test it on my stream. Just let me know which one it is so I know that it's not just someone screwing around. Confusing the hell out of me. Oh shit. Don't want to lose that. Okay, so if this... Oh, okay, that's why. I'm missing one. I was wondering why this wasn't working. Oh, okay. Got it. So it'll just be you doing random bot messages. Okay, cool. I'll keep that in mind. So instead of value, this is going to be item. And then instead of box, it's going to be character. Just so at least I know what the hell I'm talking about. There we go. Then we got item. Now we got item. Cool. So if that's all true, that's actually false. Otherwise, it's true. Right. Which I guess you don't... Yeah, let's simplify it. Technically, I can just do this. Return that. So this will basically tell me, is strong item false or true? So if it returns true, is not strong item. In fact, I have to do it backwards, unfortunately. But it makes sense. To me, at least. Is the provided item able to be interacted with by character? That's actually what this is. So it's more like, can character interact, right? Because if that's true, then they can interact with the item. Yeah, that's better. You just got an error message saying user must have two-factor auth. Oh, okay. Never seen Twitch not use a capital. Interesting. Huh. That's interesting. So let's go back to my original. What is strong? Yeah, okay. So this is actually can user interact. That's the real function here. All right. Great. Because if this is true, let's it work. And let's double check that my logic didn't break this, because then I'm going to use that same util function for breakable items. Let's go over here. All right, still working. Switch. Still working. All right, I think we got it. Let's do one more just for good measure, and then I can mess with this. All right, where's breakable? Breakable. So basically, breakable is just punching things, and then it removes the item. So all we need to do is this. Damn it. Can user interact, and that's value box, same shit. And then we should be good. All right. Great, so that should work for both. Let's go ahead and refresh. And we'll do a double refresh just for fun. Okay, can I touch you? No. Can I switch to John and touch you? Yes. Great. Now, this item is breakable. So let me go try to break it. And let's try a right break. Wait, what? Oh, I'm hitting shift. I don't even know my own keys. Okay, so it gave me points for hitting it. That's not what I want, but I can't remove it. So let's see if John can do it. He can. Works perfect. Only I missed something. Interact with item. No. That's for signs. So what am I missing? Breakable items. Oh yeah, there's separate logic actually for getting points for breaking an item that has points associated with it. So let's go to the key code, which is deprecated. I really need to update that. Okay, so that's cutscenes. This is punching shit. So let's see. That's mana. This is for shooting. Shooting projectiles. That's for my magic. Where is... Oh, add character hit. Where do I do breakable stuff? I guess we should just look up breakable. Breakable. So that's... Oh. Yeah, collectible or breakable. If collectible already, don't show item. What am I... So this is... If collected already... Oh, don't show the item. Yeah. If it's already broken or collected, don't show it. That's fine. Okay, this... No. Is it save mission? Oh, maybe it's a mission. That's why I got it. Data set mission and... Blah, blah. Don't remove it if it's a sign. So maybe it's a save mission that's actually causing this. So let's do this. I think that will actually solve this, because you shouldn't be able to complete the mission if you're not the strong guy. Alright, we're gonna have to restart. Alright. I really need to change the movement logic. I really want it to be centered more. Like right now he's in the center of my screen. But like when I go over here, I kind of want him to be more center. I don't know, maybe not. I also don't want it to constantly be scrolling. Up and down is fine, but like left and right, I want to be able to move around. You just had to make a burner phone number to enable to avail on the Twitch. Nice. What'd you use to make a burner phone number? You have like an online source? Damn it, I keep using... Oh look, it worked. So it was, yeah, that's all it was. So I can't do anything to this breakable item because it's strong. But if I'm John... I can. And I can get the points too. We did it, guys. Completely did it. I just got the 2 strong missions complete. And I'll switch back to my dude. Now, I also need to get rid of the ability for transportation if you're not Graham. So let's do can interact with item. Can character interact? I need to add some logic now that also checks if you're Graham. So this isn't actually... I need to do this. Strong. I need to add like what's the interaction you're checking for. So strong. Type. So if, I mean, I can add like a switch case here, I guess. Switch, type. I always forget how to do switch cases. Case, strong, I think it's like that, right? And then break. I think that's right. Wow. Yeah. Unreachable code. Yeah. Duh. If it's strong. Case. Transport. So, basically only comes down to this. Oh, whatever. Alright. So, if the character is Graham, and I don't care about if it's strong or not. In this case, I only care if you're Graham. Right, yeah. Yeah, because I won't set items or anything like that. So this is purely for transportation ability right now. Or Graham abilities. You found a website for it? Well, that's cool. Yeah, right. Great. Okay, it's not described. Correct. Alright. So let's see. I know I have one more instance right here. And this will be also strong. Very cool. So let's go to the transportation logic right here. I need to... Okay, so this gets enabled by default. So what I'm going to do is just basically go in here and can character interact. I'll need to actually get... I don't need the item in this case. I actually only care about if it's transport. I do need me though, so character container dot query selector. Oh, get element by ID, and I need map character icon. There we go. That'll do. And then I need one for this one too, I guess. So let's actually just make a variable character. Great. And then we will use the same function. Whoops. Here. So, if you can transport, transport. Great. Yeah. Thank God I was able to avoid all this. Alright, let's see if we can make John transport or not. Because I think right now he can. Everybody can. Because if I can, and I switch to Yona, I should be able to still transport. Yes, she can. Can John? Yes, okay. Good. So we can test this out. That looks done. Adoop, 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 adoop. Hey, I'd like a new game, please. Something's exploded. What is it? Get element by ID. What did I do? Container. Meh. What do you mean? Get element by ID? Is that not right? Or is container not right? I know container exists. TwitchBot is going okay. It's taking lots of work to get it running. That's cool. Labor of love, that's what I always say. Nor is a reason for it. Okay. What the nut? Container. Get element by ID. Whatever. Let's just document. Maybe you can't use other variables for get element by ID. I don't know. Maybe. I don't remember. Thought you could. Guess I could just use a query selector. I just like the single use of that function. Alright, let's... Oh, I guess I don't have to leave the game. Okay, so can I transport it? Yes. Can John transport it? No. He cannot. Can Iona transport it? Nope. But can I transport? Yes. Alright, 2 down. Now... Now the only thing I need to do... Well, I got 2 more people to create things for. Let's do the fast one. Let's give Iona the speed ability. That seems kind of easy. And then we'll add Genie. And see if I can come up with, like... You know, a trigger point. Where if you go through it, I lose all my health. Unless I'm her. Should be pretty simple. And those will be all the basic mechanics of the game. I do want to close this crew menu when you select somebody. Like you made your choice. Character... shit, I use that word too much. Characters. There we go. So select new character, and if you do... Wait, where's the close logic? Character choice. Character choice logic. Which is what? Okay. Crewmates, select crewmate. Where's the logic where I open and close? Oh, here we go. Storage. And, oh, what the hell? I skipped it. Talking settings. Settings cog. Oh, that's right. It's just part of a util. So where's this? I want to do this. Settings cog. Which settings cog? Ah. So it's just this. Removing. Right? Or are there multiple things? No? Add class, remove class. Okay. Cool. Remove class from that. I shall do that. So you select a new character. So what I'll do... is create const characters menu equals document dot get element by ID, and we'll call you characters. And then we'll use you here and here. Characters menu dot remove class list dot remove engage. Great. So now when I select somebody, it'll close the menu. Should be as simple as that. Let's try it out. Should be a better UI now. That did not work. Let's try again. That did not work. Did I not compile? What the hell? Yeah, select crewmate. Remove. Yeah. Apparently Twitch made a Twitch CLI. Yeah. It's open source. It's all coded in Go. Yeah. Yeah, Twitch has its own API. You can do a lot of stuff. I mean, it's good for getting like instant triggers when events happen on your stream and you can interact. It's good for all that kind of stuff. You can create your own Twitch apps. I know somebody created a really cool extension for multicasting, like bringing chats together and stuff. Yeah. I haven't dug into it too much though. I should eventually. Honestly, I'm not putting too much effort into a lot of like interactive stuff until until I have, you know, some sort of affiliate status, because I can't get bits and I can't, do points. I can't do anything right now. So there's really no reason to make crazy apps. Let's try this again. What the hell? Why is it not working? Is removing... Huh. Oh. Weird. It's like when I click on it, it removes and opens at the same time. Interesting. Oh, I think I have to, I guess, delete the click event. Let's see. So we got settings cog. And then remove setting cog. It should be as simple as that, but then got it. So I need to actually also, I'll add one more thing here. And false equals contains character item. There we go. Now it shouldn't reopen as soon as I close it. Well, it still is. What the nut? Yeah, character item. I guess what I'm clicking on is the image, not necessarily the container. Target. Okay, well then we'll do this instead. Document dot query. Shit. No, that'd be too confusing. No. I guess I'll have to do target dot parent node dot class list contains that. There we go. Yeah, because it'll always be just the parent when I'm clicking on the image. Try it again. Go. Open. Close. Bam. Problem solved. So now when you select somebody, it closes the menu. Way better interface. I like it. Oh no, I can't grab this. I need to change into strongman. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, cool. So, speed. This one's gonna be fun. I want to see myself run really fast. So, it's actually pretty simple. Miro explore position. Okay. So the way that movement works is a constant interval running at 20 milliseconds, which is around here somewhere. Where's my interval? That would be here. So, what I could do is basically just make this quicker. So, like, I can say move speed. Now, I can make this window.move speed. So this is now global variable. On load, I'll make it 20. So if we do engage or explore game, I'll set walking speed by default, and I'll be window dot movement speed. Wait, what did I call it? Move speed? Shit, I forgot what I called it. Oh, whatever. This is 20. Movement speed. I definitely didn't call it that. Window.move. I called it move speed. Alright. Close enough. I thought I tried that. Okay. So window.move speed set. Now, when I switch characters, I want to reset the move speed. So, select character, select, what the hell? Select new character. So I basically can do one of these. Character name, dataset character name equals Graham. Wait, what? You can't do this. You're gonna do it in JavaScript and watch a tutorial. Nice. Hey, if you need any help in JavaScript, let me know. That's all I do. Alright, so this old equals current. Okay. Oh, and then why am I hard coding it to Graham though? Is that right? Character name Graham. Should you use Node.js to run the files? That's what I always use for JS. I mean, Node.js is server side. So, yeah. It's a good bet. You can use Next.js too, I guess. Node it up. Yeah, now I'm actually kind of concerned that my character select has been wrong this whole time. Hold on. Character name. Oh, it's these characters' names. Oh yeah, look, his name is Graham. That's not what I want. So in fact, character name needs to be old. So current character image. So it's switching with the old character. And then the character name. So this is the current character. When you select a new character, it makes the old character the current one. And now you set the current one to the new image. Okay, so I need to use char character. Okay. Character data agreement. Yeah. So this needs to be I kind of don't know who the character is. In fact, I don't care. I don't think this needs to change. I'll just leave it. Doesn't really matter. Well, it does kind of matter. Because I could use that to determine if it's Iona. Shit. So I need to be able to determine the one you select. I have their name. Whatever. It doesn't matter though because it's going here. The image is going there. It's when I select a new one and I swap the images. I need to know who I'm swapping with. Have you ever made a Discord bot? No, I don't make bots. Can't trust them. I don't know. No. I've never had a reason. I told you I don't do programming for fun. I only program with either by getting paid or the possibility of getting paid. And yeah, creating random bots never get me paid. Okay, so this means that that's what I need to do. I need to start adding a data attribute to the current character. So not only will I set the SRC, but I'll also add a new one called data character current character current char, and that'll be the character dot data set character name. Cool. And then I can switch it back. So that's current character. I'm setting the character name. And I need to set what the current one is. Oh, so I need to get the old const old current char name equals current character dot dataset dot character name. Cool. Old current character name, and then I need to change. No, this is the new one. This is the old one. And I'm setting the current one. Hey, Dak Dude. Thanks for jumping on, man. You just got home? Oh, shoot. Hell yeah. I can't wait to see it. Hope you just got bundles of sapphires, my friend. That's pretty sweet. Stoked. Thanks for jumping on and saying hi. I'm confusing myself with current and old. See you, my friend. So then this will be character dot right. Character dot data set dot character name. Okay. Right. So if this exists, then do, oops, old current character name. Otherwise, that means that it's Graham. Cool. Just thoroughly confused myself, but I think I got there. And now I need to know this. So if this equals Iona, if this, oh wait, hold on, I gotta do this before I reset it. Okay. Set speed level if Iona. Cool. So if this is Iona, oh my god, tired of these goddamn gnats. They love my lights. Then we need to set window move speed to, let's double the speed, 10. I wish there was more room to go, because I'd like to upgrade her speed as your level gets higher. I guess I could make myself a lot slower. Alright, let's see if I'm going to get some console errors here. Nope. But also, I do not notice a speed difference. Maybe I do. No, seems pretty normal. Boomer. Let's see. So move speed is 20 by default. So this should constantly be checking. Gnats love your lights too. Yeah, they're pretty damn annoying. Okay. I think the problem is that this isn't being reset. Yeah, that's right. Movement function needs to get reset. So let's see how I do that. Wait, what? Yeah, here we go. I need to do this. Remove the interval and... But where is the interval? No. No. This is wrong. Movement. Interval function. Yes. Yes. Movement. Oh, okay. This is it. This is the interval that I'm changing. Okay. So let's steal this. Let's go here. No. Let's go here. No. Let's go here. Yes. Okay. So we'll reset. We'll clear this interval. Okay. So we're clearing the old one. We're going to reset this, and then we're going to do the movement in function. So clear the old interval, restart the interval. Perfect. You were lurking, me and 3 people, while watching the other guy's stream. Nice. Always good. Thanks for bringing a haul over. Always appreciate some more followers. I'm so close. I need 50. Once I get 50, I mean, I still need an average of, I think it's like 5 viewers or something like that, but you can't even get a affiliate status till you have at least 50 followers. Boop. Not that I'm chomping at the bit to start having ads on my Twitch. Oh, I think it worked. She seems faster, right? Oh yeah, she seems way faster. Oh, I also have to reset it back to normal after the fact. Okay, so if it's not, then let's do this. Yeah, right. Cool. Though every time you select, I don't want to reset it. So it's more like else if she was, which would be current, old, current. Yeah. Oops. Yana equals that. Yeah. Let's see if that works. And I think dropping it down to 10 is actually, it's a decent speed boost, but it's not too fast to where I don't think I would benefit from, you know, you going even faster. So let's see, we got that. Boop. She's speedy. And then switch back. That did not work. Okay, so I don't think my logic's working. So let's just do else, whatever. Okay, we got that. Switch to her. Super fast. Switch back. There we go. Back to normal. Yeah, still don't like that, you know. It's gonna reset walking, but not a big deal, I guess. Boo-doop. Boop. Alright. Oh, weird. Switching to her didn't go fast. That's interesting. I wonder why that's happening. Pretty sure it should. Well, let's see what we get. Maybe this is getting set to the wrong name. Maybe it's getting set to Graham by accident. Current. Yeah. Old current. Yeah. Bound to run into this logic mishap. But so far going pretty smooth on the superpowers. Alright, let's see what we got. So honestly, I'd like to not see all the damn errors about images, but let's see. Boop. Iona. Good. Perfect. Let's switch to John. Boom. John. Perfect. Now, let's switch back to Iona and see what we get. Graham. That was, I was afraid of. Okay. So it switched her name to Graham, which it should not have. So let's see why. Current data, current char, old. I'm setting right here. I'm setting the character name to, if you want to see a clip of this guy mispronouncing my name very badly. Sure. That sounds funny. Old current char name. Me when I, when me I.
As soon as I said nobody participates on Twitch, we have Mewini Menwe. Great, good to see the participation on Twitch. I love seeing that. Yeah, so if you're on Twitch, Kick, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and you're hearing me now, let us know. As soon as I said nobody participates.
It's pretty good. Me weenie when we. I mean, you can pretty much tell it's just a bunch of words shoved together, right? Me when I, when me I. That's just kind of how I read it, but I like it. Okay, so why is Graham coming out? So obviously this logic down here is not working. Because for some reason it's considering... Yeah, so let's see. Let's actually console this out as well. Alright. Boop, 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 boop. So let's switch to Iona. Undefined. Cool. That means Graham. So now Graham is the character name. Cool. So when I switch to John, it's still undefined. Oh. Why is it still undefined? Because what? It should not still be undefined. That's the problem. Oh, it never added it. Oh, it's adding it to here. Okay, but it's right here. Data current char. That's weird. Maybe I spelled it wrong? No, I'm setting it like this. How am I reading it though? Wait, what? Old current char name. Wait a second. I'm setting this. Oh, I'm never reading it though. At some point I want to make a RESTful API or whatever it is. Yeah, you can make an API. Honestly, all an API is a URL that does something when you hit it, right? You know, the level of security is what makes it like robust. But I mean, as long as you have basic auth, you know, you have a token that's, you know, automatic generated and it expires, and you have a secret key just for that one person, you know, makes it super, so only that person can use this. But then you have a RESTful API. I mean, I make REST APIs. I register them in WordPress really easily because it has the WordPress API. You can create new REST routes, and that's what I do to save all my game data. But if you're creating your own RESTful API, yeah, you just got a host. You need a URL. And then you need something to happen when they hit that URL. Simple. Alright, so the problem is I'm not setting, or I'm setting this, but I'm not using it. The whole point of this is to use it. So what I should be doing is the old char name, old current char. So the old current char, so this is the current person that's already there. So this old char name actually needs to be dataset current char, and this needs to be current char. That's the problem. I'm just using the wrong name. There we go. That should work now. Blech. It's like a tongue twister for your brain. Okay, so slow, fast, slow, slow. Uh-oh. Oh, that's him. Slow, fast. All right, cool. I think we got it. Back to slow. So we have speed, we have strength. Now we need walking through fire. That's interesting. Fire, ice, maybe getting shot. I don't know. For now, we'll just call it fire. Walking through the fire. So I need to set up an area. And that area will hurt you if you step in it. Maybe I'll call it hazard. It's good. Good name. We'll call it a hazard. So a hazard is going to be a lot like a trigger point. But what I want to do is I want to make it like an item. It's a point on the map. So, do I already have something like that? This is none of these. I think I need to call it hazard. So we'll have collectible, breakable, draggable, and then we'll have hazard. And then we'll add a bunch of logic to hazards. Yeah. Twerks. So let's go back to the meta box, our favorite spot. And we'll add a new one. Shouldn't be as hard because we already have an array for this. We'll call it hazard. It needs to be able, hazardable, hurtable. Yeah, whatever, we'll just call it hazard. Makes the most sense. Interaction type, explore hazard. Cool. The value will be hazard. And if you selected hazard, check the box. Great. This should work right off the bat. So I don't need to do anything special. Right? Draggable. I don't think yeah, breakable and draggable. Yeah, they're all just part of an array. Okay. I mean, they're all part of a radio. Okay, so now the only thing is if the map item is a hazard, you need to be able to walk through it. Like it shouldn't be a collision point. So let's go to Miro explore positions. Here we go. Yeah, map item, not drag this, not hazard. Hazard, so you need to be able to walk through. So, in order to do that, we need to control the class. So where is it? Here's map item, post name. I know I have a spot for updating the class. Ooh, this is a mess. Here we go. Classes. So, let's add a new logic. Wait, where do I... Okay, here we go. We'll add hazard here. Is hazard. Burp-a-derp-a-derp. Hazard. Wah, wah, wah. Bing bong boom. Okay. Is hazard. So, if it is a hazard, if hazard, add hazard class. Cool. Is hazard. Then classes will be hazard. Cool. Right? Right. Okay. Let's see what we got. So let's see if that worked. Oh, I kind of need to... So this is a roadblock. How do I define that? I don't even know. Okay. Maybe I don't. Oh, this is in the CEO office. Let's create a new one. This is going to be called Fire Hazard. And we're going to put this in Foresight. This is going to be where. Let's make it this whole room right here. So, if I'm going to make it this whole room, then I need to start right here. It's going to start at 1781. And it's going to be 1660. Great. I think, I mean, it's going to be big, so the height's going to be like 1,000. The width's going to be like 500. We'll start with that. Okay. And I guess we can utilize value to determine how much it's going to hurt you. So let's do that. So it'll hurt you 20. Every second that you stay in a hazard, it's going to take 20 off your health. How about that? I'll make it a hazard. And cool. This should work. You have been published. Alright. So now, when I refresh, this whole room should get taken up by a hazard. Now, there won't be any hurt logic on it yet, but it should be here. Hey, look at that. I pretty much nailed the positioning, and I am without issue walking on it. Oh no. Never mind. I was misled. Huh. That's weird. This shouldn't be blocking me from walking. Wait, did I not compile my change here? I might not have. So map item not... Yeah. Hazard. It's the same as the drag destination. You can walk through it. What the nut? Why? Why am I not allowed to walk through you? Wait, path on load. I don't think that matters. Okay. You are stopping me. Why? It definitely has the hazard class. Let's see. What am I missing here? Not hazard. I spelled that correct. Is it a projectile or enemy item? No. So it shouldn't be part of this, meaning it shouldn't be part of this. You stumped me. Alright, well, let's see if it's part of the modal array, I guess. How am I going to do that? Let's use whatever. Value.class name. Or how about this? We do class list contains hazard. That would be interesting if any of these are true. Because clearly I'm saying no, not hazard. Can you do double knots like that? Maybe I have to do it separately. No. That would be dumb. Or do I do it like this? I don't think so. No. Yeah, I think I'm doing this right. Okay, let's check. For shits and giggles. Nope. Nope. All false. Yeah, definitely not making any sense. So, if that's the case, then why am I able to not walk through it? It's very interesting. It's clearly in my goddamn way. These things. So drag destination is definitely working. What if I did this? I'm pretty sure I've done this before, where I added an additional class already. Yeah, see, it's just hazard. It doesn't like the class or something. Maybe it's where hazard is. Let's double check where drag dest is. Drag dest. The class is here. Huh? Okay. Yeah, I know drag dests are separate items. Like they're not part of this normal loop. But it seems that my information is right. Map item. Yeah, hazard's right there. Same in the map item. Sometimes I get stumped. Okay, there must be a reason why the hell this is not working. So instead of just adding a class like that, we'll try adding a data point. Okay, so this is not doing it for me. Instead, we'll do HTML. Data hazard equals true. And we'll put this somewhere. I'll put this with like this, with the draggable and breakable. Alright. Oh. I guess I don't need double space, so let's see. Womp, womp. So now it has data hazard true. Looks good. Very cool. So let's go back to our walking logic. And let's say not data hazard equals true. Maybe. Maybe it'll work better as this junk. No, it doesn't give a shit. This is very strange. Hey, can see what you're working on finally. Yeah, there you go. You went to the full screen. Yeah, that's why I multicast. So you can see like full screen YouTube. You got the YouTube Shorts feed live. Yeah, it's a lot better. And I'm zooming in now a little bit more. Alright, so this is clearly not working. So what I'm going to do instead is look at where the collision point logic is, which is not here, not here, not here, not here. It's all the way down. Yeah, it's actually none of this. Let's look for collision. Here we go. Get blocked. Block movement. Here we go. So here we go. This is why it's not working. I put it in the wrong spot. I forgot that this is like a separate blocking logic. Okay, now this should work. Yeah, so this is the little util function that tells me which direction to face and or which direction's being blocked, and you know, if I should be getting blocked at all. There we go. Look at that. Now I can walk there. Cool. So we have our hazard right here. This is going to hurt me unless I'm a certain character. So we have our speed character. Whee! Super fast, super fast. We have our strong character who can pick up items that other people cannot. And then we have our person who can transport. Uh-oh. I broke transport. Wait, what the hell? What did I do? How come we can't transport all of a sudden? Transport. Transport. Character. Map icon. Oh, wait. Yeah, Graham's in there. What the hell, dude? So transport true equals includes Graham. This is true. Oh, well. Let's double check this is working. It really should be. Game Doodle. Getting on late for me, yeah. Did I write for the first half? No. No, nobody responded, so I assumed everybody was like, don't do it. It's fine, though. You know, I got started. I have, I'm still working on the actual formatting, because I want I want to follow the same formatting that I did for Miropelia. It'll make it easier when I'm handing it off to the editors. But I'm having issues copying the formatting over to the new shit. So yeah, haven't made a lot of progress yet. We'll get there though. Hide. Okay. So what I have done though today, Game Doodle you missed. Character select works. So now when you turn into Iona, you're fast. You see? She's double the speed of everybody else. And if you switch back, you know, whatever. But if you switch to John, who it's really hard to tell until you switch their image. So now he can grab and break items that other people can't. So like I can drag this shirt, but if I switch back to Graham, no matter how much I try, I can't grab it. It's too heavy, right? Same for breakables. So like this item right here is breakable. So I can't break this item unless I turn into John. You know? Strong shit. Break strong things. Grab strong things. And that's just because I have this new is strong meta box on items. So I can say if it's only for strong people. Yeah, it works out really well. So now I'm working on Genie's ability, hazards. So I already created the hazard itself, which is this big box. So this is my fire hazard. And basically what I'm going to do is if you're inside of this box and you're not Genie, then you lose 20 or whatever. I define the health here, the value that takes away from you. You're going to lose that every second. But for some reason, because I also added the ability, nobody can transport unless they're Graham. But for some reason, it's not even working for Graham now, so I'm trying to figure that out. So wait. Why is it not giving me the console? Oh wait, true. True. Oh. Oh shit. I made it so you can't transport into map items. And I forgot the hazard is a map item. Oh shoot. Okay. I mean, I should be able to kill myself, so let's make sure that I can definitely kill myself. How am I limiting that? Yeah, because I have engaged transportation function. How did I make it so I don't kill myself? Oh, click transport. Here we go. Yeah, I have a whole logic here. So, yeah. Map item. Right. So we might actually have to make this a little easier, but for now I'll do this for now. And, or click a target dataset hazard equals true. Sometimes you have to love vanilla JavaScript for the amount of typing you have to do. It's fun. It's like practicing. Okay. So yeah. So if that's true, I don't care about this. Let's see if that works. I want to be able to kill myself if I need to. Okay, so can I transport? Yes. Okay, cool. So now I can transport in here again. But you'll see if I switch to Iona, like she's fast, but she can't transport. So So only Graham can transport and do magic. I'll have to disable magic too. Because right now I don't think I do. Do I have any magic? Oh god. What am I doing? What happened to my magic? Doesn't appear to be working. Oh yeah, I think I have to gain it. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, anyways. Let's get rid of the console log I just added. In fact, I don't need this, because that's working now. I don't need this, it's working now. And I don't need that. Great. Yeah, and I have this can character interact util, so I can tell. So I'll also need to add a case for hazard. That's just what I'm calling it. Return character SRC includes genie. Cool. Great. That should work. Yeah, a lot of progress. Well, and it wasn't that hard, you know? Because the way that I interact with the world, it was easy to control it. You know? Like, I had to give myself the ability to break things, to move things, to collect things. So, I know where all that is. So all I had to do was add a condition to it, you know, based off of this can character interact. So that made it really easy. And then the speed one was really easy because I know exactly where that's controlled. I just created a global variable to set the interval speed that, you know, is constantly checking my position and lets me move around the screen. So I just went from 20 to 10 for her. And I can go to 5 too. Like when you level up, I can make it even lower. I can make it like an upgrade. Or maybe if you buy a pair of shoes or something, then she can go even faster. Eventually she's going to be going too fast. So I think the last thing I'm going to do is get this hazard thing working, and then I'll push it up. And I can make up the shit for the little tutorial games. Yeah, I agree. How fast is too fast? Let's find out. So we got window.move speed. So she goes to 10. Let's try 1. This will be interesting. I actually don't know. It might be insane. Maybe the computer will explode. Because, I mean, this is 1 millisecond that I'm running this function. This giant function every millisecond. So here we go. Normal speed. We'll switch to super speed. Ah, that's not bad. It's pretty great, actually. Whoa. What the hell? I moved so fast that I changed position. Yeah, it's actually a little hard to control. To be honest. But it's pretty damn fun, so... Oh shit, what did I just do? I just flew off the screen. Yeah, cool. That is very quantum, yeah. Oh my god, compared to the normal speed, I just got used to how fast that was. This is boring. Alright, hey, we have a place to go though, so I can turn on my super shoes or whatever. That's good. I was actually worried that I didn't have a lot of room to move. You know, to make her faster. Oh, test. Is your Twitch bot working? Sending a test message? Yeah, we got Indy over here on Twitch. He's creating a Twitch bot so we can spam my chat. Okay. So we need to hurt me. No, I don't want to hurt the enemy. I want to hurt me. And the way to hurt me is a little weird. You have to run the points function. Come here. The points function and have it update health. So let's actually see if I have that. That's enemy health. I need my health. Yeah. So here's the health bar, health amount. So I need to go where I get hurt. Add no points, health. Wait, what was that? No, that's hurt the enemy health. So this is when it hurts me. Okay. So basically, I remove my health from the enemy value, and then I update it like this. Okay. Yeah. That's it. I just basically supply the new amount for the health bar, and then it'll automatically do all the, you know, the saving of the data and stuff. Yeah, it's a hit point. Yeah. HP. Space test. Yeah, so this is gonna be, I don't think I can tack this onto anything. I'm gonna just have to create a completely separate function. Okay. It would be your movement cycle, right? Yeah. This is going to be inside of the Miro Explorer. Yeah, so what I'm basically doing is just looking if I'm overlapping with it. And if I am, and it's a hazard. Hazard logic. Let's do this. So if value dot data set dot hazard equals true, then I need to check and character can interact, and false equals can character interact, which is going to be value box hazard. Then hurt me, basically. So to do that, I'm going to need the old amount, and I'm going to get the new amount. So I'll need the hazard's value. So let's get the count. Hurt amount comes from the value data set value. Oh, that's kind of annoying. I forgot I just call it value. Is that going to work? I think I'm going to have to use get attribute. Yeah, data value. Okay. Right. Let's do... That might actually work. I'll just do it like this, so. Data value. Okay, so that's the amount it's going to hurt me. And then I need current health. Which, how do I get current health? Get current. That's level points. Ah, here we go. Selected type. I'm guessing I can just do that with health. Health. Good thing I over-engineered everything. Then we'll do const new amount. I mean, basically it's just %. Current amount minus. Nope. Current amount. Current health. Minus Orbem. Have you ever used RBG Maker? Not the Unity one, but the older ones. They're JavaScript based and I believe are designed to allow people to make plugins to mod the game. I think I'd enjoy it. Yeah. I've never used it, but I know that's what Pirate Software uses. No. He doesn't. He uses Game Maker Studio. I have seen it a few times, and I remember the old version too, because you know, I really considered jumping into an RPG Maker when I was first thinking about this game. And yeah, I think I'd like it. But I'm too far gone. I don't have a choice anymore. This is it. This is the game. But yeah. I think it's I'd probably make the game in like a month if I used RPG Maker. Yeah, let's just start over. You forgot the tilde. You gotta do like this. Nah, let's start over. Tilde is the universal symbol for sarcasm in text. So when you want to say something sarcastically to me, add a tilde at the beginning of it, and then I'll know that you're joking. Otherwise, we just could get completely off track, and I get massively offended. I'm very sensitive. Obviously. Yeah, I know, right? I'm usually teaching more than coding. No, I love that. That's what I want everybody around, man. God, it gets... Hey, there we go. IDK. Not. Yeah, tilde at the beginning. Yeah, no, it's yeah, I like interacting with the people and talking about programming and everybody telling me what I'm doing wrong. Like, so much better than me just sitting here programming and talking to myself, which is what I did for the first 2 months, basically. Okay. I just killed myself. My health went down immediately because I did not. I didn't put a set timeout on it. That's really funny. Well, good. At least it works. You see? I died immediately in the hazard. Okay. Perfect, perfect. This is working great. Okay, so now we need to counteract. We need to counteract the 20 milliseconds or 10 milliseconds. Shoot, how am I going to do that? Okay, well I can run a set timeout every second and check if I'm in a hazard or not. Delta time. Multiplied by delta time. Yeah, because I need to reach 1,000. But I also need to know how much you know, based off of the window speed time. So like, I need my delta time is going to be window dot speed move speed, because the move speed is the current interval time. What's the algorithm to determine how much you need to multiply a number to get a number? Because I need it to be like 1,000. So, oh, I guess you do what? 1,000 divided by move speed times. So this is the delta multiplier. So we'll do that. And then delta time equals delta multiplier times window move speed. That seems backwards. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So then my delta, okay, so then it's like this, right? It's, no, that's not right. So I need to get move speed to 1,000. I need to counteract move speed. So now I know how much I need to multiply the time to get 1,000. But I think it's subtract. That's what it is. And then I just add that to a set timeout. I don't think that's how it works. Is that how it works? Let's see. Oop. So let's do set timeout. And then we'll do the delta multiplier. And we'll see if that works. This seems smart. Counteract the move speed interval. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so I have full health. Will it go down by a second? No, it still went down a million too fast. Interesting. Apply damage over time using an updated method or something, yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Make a bull. Set timeout. Turn off the bull. But how come the set timeout went so quick? Because the move speed should only be 20. So this should have been 980 milliseconds. So this shouldn't have even gotten hit until... But maybe it wasn't compiled. Hold on. I still feel like that was right. And I fully think I shouldn't die right away. Okay. Obviously, I am wrong. Let's just try like hard coding it just in case. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean, otherwise I'm just going to need to add like my own global variable that's just checking every second. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't care. It's ignoring the set timeout. Interesting. So yeah, instead of doing a set timeout, what we can do is basically just set a window, window dot I'm dying or something in hazard equals true, right? else window dot in hazard equals false. Oh, well, I guess I could simplify this even more. And just do this. There you go. Hazard logic. So now we'll know when we're in it, right? So now I could do a separate check on the outer world. Engage, explore. So we can do a hazard hurt me check. So set interval. Boom. Right. And we'll do it every second. Oh shit. I got rid of my damn hurt me logic. I need you. Gimme. Wait. No. What did I do? Wait, was that all I was passing? Oh yeah, I guess so. Okay. Back to the future. Okay. Besides this. Oh no, I did need that if statement. No, I don't. I'm starting to lose it. Okay. Okay. One too many. Okay. If window dot in hazard. Alright. True equals in hazard. Then do this. Correct. Right. Oh, wait, I need value. Shit. I need value. Value is the hazard. Shit. That will be another global variable. Gotta love it. Value. Yeah, okay. Making life hard on myself. No, not hazard value. What did I call it? Hazard hurt value or something? Shit. I forget. Have the hazard value. Yeah, right? Equals value dot get attribute data value. Cool. So this is the hazard logic. All right. This should work. I have a feeling this should work. Yeah, this should work. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Am I good or what? Just butter. And now look, I'm dead. No, I'm not. It obviously didn't save. What the hell? Oh yeah, the speedy one would get hit less. You're right. weird. Looks like my points aren't actually getting updated. Oh shit, I forgot. I think it's a different function for actually hurting you. Let's fix that real quick. Yeah, it's not just add user points. It's like... what is it? It's add... so like add user points is part of it, but then it's... something... oh, run point animation. That's what it is. Now, how do I do that for health? No, this seems wrong. Why is it not? Yeah. Where does it actually send the shit? Oh no, so yeah, this is where this is all happening. Yeah, updates to gauge. How come it's not sending the damn thing? That's weird. Only coordinates. Oh shit, it might... is it because I'm still in it? No. Weird. That should have been sending a request. Let's figure out why that's not happening. And then I need to add Genie as a character so I can test that it works. So what would stop this from working? If it's collectible, that doesn't matter. Amount doesn't matter. What would stop you from running? Oh, is it because I'm not passing a position? Thought it was. I am not. Position projectile. Oh. Yeah, I don't think I'm sending everything I need. Well, it doesn't matter if it's a collectible. We have the amount. It's a health. We know it's doing the right thing. But it's got to be something else. I don't think projectile will work. I think position needs to be the hazard. Which would be... I mean, the hazard name. Let's try hazard. See if I can ignore it. Doop, 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 doop. Is the 1 supposed to be health or the damage dealt? The 1? What do you mean? The damage dealt is the value of the hazard. So like right now it's 20. If you can see here. So 20 is the value. That's how much the damage is. Oh, those ones are my user ID. Because I have to pass user ID that might update my user meta. Yeah, that's just, I don't know why I think it's because it's the last thing in the URL that sends. So yeah. Okay. So we need to figure out why this ain't getting hit. Because this is fine. This is fine. Not stopping, not stopping. Position is not empty actually, so it should have been going through. And position... yeah, it just kind of adds it, which is fine. Amount, type. Yeah, that's it. Alright, well, let's console. Let's figure out what the hell's going on here. Hitting. Go. Alright. Hurt me. But show me. Okay. Oh, that's not good. It's still going. That's why it's not saving. It's waiting for it to stop hurting me. I have it so I don't like do a million calls when I'm getting shot by projectiles. So it actually waits for the last time it happens before it sends the newest health amount. So my own engineering has stopped it. Because you see I clear the timeout so that it waits for 2 seconds. But I'm hitting myself every 1 second. Okay, I get it. That makes sense. So then let's actually go back. Yeah. Okay. So I need to not hurt myself. So this is fine. So this should switch to false. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, okay, got it. I need to switch this to false. Here. Got it. It's like the else. So I have a few things in here that get removed once you're not touching something anymore. That's one of them. Okay, so now it should work. Watch. We'll go to the network. Will hurt me. I'll get out. Damn it. It's still going. What the hell? That should have stopped me. I gotta check the logic for the 1 second interval. Yeah, because in hazard false should stop it. Obviously this isn't getting updated. My guess is it's not getting updated. So I might have to actually delete the interval and restart it if I'm still in it. Now that I think about it. That is highly possible. Intervals are fucking weird. So like if I go boop. True. Yeah, you see. It's just still saying true, even though I know it's false. Okay. The opt is fine. Well, actually, let's double check that I do know that it's getting changed. So is this getting hit? Let's also console log it here. Add the in hazard check in the interval. Yeah. It is in the interval. Only problem is that while one interval's running on load, they're both running on load. So once I like TypeScript. TypeScript's great. It's just safer, you know, because you have to typecast everything, all your inputs, all your outputs, you know. So it's a little hard to deal with, and it can be kind of tedious to learn. But I mean, if you know TypeScript, it's kind of like one of the top languages going around. Okay, so it's false, true. Wait, what? Didn't I just add a console log? That should be going like... Oh no, only if it's in it and then out. Now it should go a million times. Oh, okay. Well, maybe that's why. Maybe it's not the interval. This isn't getting hit. Else if... Oh shit, I wasn't even paying attention to my own else if. God damn it. If true equals value dot get attribute data hazard. No. Oh no, I can just do data hazard. Data set hazard. Or. Okay. Now this should work. Yeah, I think it just wasn't getting set. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna go in. False. True. False. The RC below, and let's check. There's health. It got sent at 60. So now, if I refresh, my health remains at 60. Fuck this mic up right now. Opinion on Go? 0. I don't know. I don't even know what Go is. It's a language, right? I don't know. Oh yeah, what was I thinking? We did it. Success. I got distracted by Go. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I'm like I've said a million times, I don't learn anything I don't get paid to do, and Go has not crossed my path at all. Oh yeah. Success. We did it. That's always a good feeling. Oh, well now I need to create Jeannie real quick so I can test her out. So that'll be the last thing I do. You know how I like to outlast everybody on stream. Character. Let's add Jeannie. Let's add her to the cutscene where she can be added. CEO office. Let's add her avatar, which is in the same shit as everything else. The last tonight's context matters. I agree. What the hell? Where the hell? Okay, Jeannie, here we go. Good. She's in. Oh yeah, I need to add her damn position. Let's just copy. Honestly, it doesn't actually matter. It's just as long as she's on the screen. Height's 100, height's 100. She's a crewmate? Yes. She is a crewmate. Are you using VS Code? You have PC? Oh, no. No, I'm using PHP Storm. It's just like the quintessential IDE for WordPress development. You know, it's really good for PHP development. And I like it for JavaScript. I have friends that are colleagues, friends that they use VS Code like just when they do JavaScript development. I don't get it. I don't know. Sounds kind of, maybe I'm lazy, but I just use what works. Okay, let's see if I can add her to my crew. I'm actually going to, oh wait, is my crew part of the reset function? Reset. Let's delete explore characters. Is that what I called it? Explore characters. Okay, good. Yeah, I need to be part of that. Otherwise, they'll never leave. And this actually might end up breaking my entire functionality. Like I just lost Iona for some reason. Okay, let's try it. So I have nobody. Nobody. Great. Oh, and I'm stuck. Volume. What the fuck? What are you talking about, volume? Walking. Vs. Huh? What did I do? Did I just screw up all the HTML by removing this? Wait, this isn't supposed to show up. You're not supposed to show. Oh. Wait, that's weird. I thought I added... Oh, I added it to hide it, not to actually... Okay. Hold, please. Yeah. Yeah, see if it's empty. This shouldn't even show. I think I just confused myself. What's the difference between GitLab and GitHub, do you know? They're rivals. What I used to think was GitLab was more of an internal version control system where you can hold code, because that's what we had. We had like, you can install it on an internal server and like only your company has access to this GitLab, whereas GitHub is, you know, cloud based. But now GitLab and GitHub are the same thing, basically. GitLab's just a bigger name. Yeah. Right. That makes sense. Right, yeah. Yeah, they both get her done. Jerry's correct. And I care not which one I use. So what's actually breaking shit? Really, nothing should be broken from the settings because I removed characters. So what the nut? Like, this is all fine. Settings cog. Close setting. What the hell? Why is it acting like this is all broken? Even though it's working. Well, that's not working. What happened? Storage. Yeah, see? Everything's properly... Ooh, I lost the class setting on settings. Why is that? Oh, because it's the only class is engage. Okay. What the hell? What did I do? I destroyed the game somehow. What is going on? Okay, it doesn't like this. Oh, wait. Did I lose it because of... Oh, I lost all the content inside of this. So it's looking for this close setting. But it ain't getting it. Right. In that case, we'll just put this here. And definitely not return. We'll do one of these. And for each and if. There we go. That'll do, pig. Back to business. Okay. So, we don't have a crew. Correct. Let's go add one. I will fix that later. Bring me Genie. Okay. So we should add character Iona, John, and Genie. So all three should be here now. Yeah. Send me back. Okay. I'm back. Now, I still need to fix the client-side version of adding characters, but let's see if it worked. It did not. God damn it. Why can't I get this thing to work? I had it working, and now it's dead. Let's see. What happened to you, buddy? Oh, I have 2. Well, that's not good. Why do I have 2? Definitely don't need 2. And John did not get added, so that's not great. I think I need to make this even longer. Add character. Because right now I have it every second. Let's do every 2 seconds. And see if that's enough time to work. Yeah, right. Let's try this again. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I was in the hazard. Losing life. Alright, no errors. Add character, add character, add character. What'd that do? Jack shit. I still only have 2. God damn it. This function does not fucking work. I feel like I need to send them as an array instead of one at a time. It's just not fucking working. Let's double check my add character function. So, if it's not empty and false equals an array, just feels like it's still going too quickly, even with the 2-second interval. It's the only thing that would explain it. Yeah, it's definitely a timing issue. Like, I added a set timeout because it was a timing issue before. Like, it was adding characters before they got saved to the database. But now I added 2 seconds. I mean, shit. How many seconds? And I don't even feel like this is getting hit because it's part of another timeout here. It doesn't feel like this set timeout's even working. You're all about bool. Make a bool, turn it on, and then once a character is added, it turns it off. Yeah, it's just I don't have any indicator when it's added. Like there's not like a response to the rest route. Yeah. Use a game state. Well, if it wasn't vanilla JavaScript, I might have a set state. This is not React though. Well, let's see if just fucking upping it to 5 seconds makes it better. I don't think it will be. I don't think the delay is even delaying that much. Well, let's see. This might end up being a problem for Monday, Scott. It just sucks because I thought I already fixed this problem. Oh no, I'm dead. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of solutions that have been created that aren't part of vanilla. Okay. See? It did the 5-second timeout, but it did all 3 at the same time. So I think it's... Oh, that's why. It's not waiting for the first one to finish. It doesn't matter what timeout I give it. It's doing all the timeouts at the same time. Oh, I'm stupid. So it's more like this needs to be a for loop, and I give it an interval and I wait wait a second in between. Okay. Yeah, because I'm just setting all the timeouts at the same one. Yeah, I got to tackle one at a time. And in order to do that, I need to use interval. Oh my god, I have so many intervals. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Set interval. This is going to be the add character int. Okay. This interval is going to happen every second. Okay. Character count equals 0. We're going to do a for loop with crewmates in, alright, crewmate in crewmate. No. God, I always forget how to set up a freaking for loop. Gimme. Stop making me look dumb. Okay. So this is going to be character count. And this is going to be character count. Cont. It's less than character count dot length. Okay. Character count. No, not character count. I meant crewmates dot length. Okay. Less than or equal to. And then we're going to do this. Okay. Inside this for loop. Okay. So, and then if character count equals crewmate.length, then we're going to delete this interval. Characters int. Okay. Right? Oh, crewmate. Uh-oh, crewmates. Character count. There we go. Okay. Yes. This is all a thing. This should work. I love blind programming. Okay, here we go. Why do I still have life? Okay, let's go here. Let's just refresh one more time. Okay. And I did compile, right? Stop stalling. Oh, whoops. I didn't set it up. There we go. I was wondering why that wasn't working. Okay. Compile. Compile. Lucky compile. Okay, refresh. So now this should happen every second. Is it adding the characters all three of them every second? Okay, I gotta stop. Whoops. Yeah, it wasn't supposed to run all three every second. It was supposed to run one at a time. Oh, wait. I didn't do that right. Yeah, you're right. The character count needs to be outside of the interval. And I need to... Yeah. Up. I need to do this. Character count. Plus is down here. Character count equals 0. Yeah, this was not what I meant to do. That was dumb. I didn't need the for loop at all. Okay. And then crewmates, character count. That's what I was trying to do. And then character count. Oh. Okay. Oops. And then we'll clear this once the count equals the length. That's more like it. I was just adding all three a million times. Let's see what the database looks like. Probably... No, not that bad. I assumed there'd be more. Okay. Let's try this again. For good measure. Stay out of the hazard. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. A second might not be good enough, but let's see what it looks like in the database. Why does it keep adding two different fucking... What is this function doing? Why is it... I'm getting it and setting it, but why is it setting like a brand new one? They should be the same shit with the same user ID. Why am I getting duplicate? Like, you can't do that. You physically shouldn't be able to add the same meta key to the same user ID. Doesn't make any sense. But I am. That don't make no sense. But regardless, it's still not doing what I want. Being called twice. Maybe. I mean, the network calls only showed one each, though. Actually, let me double check the network calls. Yeah, see? It only did the 3. 1, 2, 3. And it was done. Yeah, it seems to be working fine. Okay. Yes, there's something wrong with this shit. So the slug that I'm providing... Getting the explore characters. So false if it's in an array. And it's not empty. Then add it to the array. Otherwise, it is the array. Meaning if it's empty, or it Oh. Shoot. Wait. This logic's wrong. Alright, Indy. You have a good night too, man. And I will catch you on Monday, probably, if you're around. Okay, so I think the problem here is this logic. Because if this equals true, it's in array, then this will equal false. So if it's in the array, but this... Wait, no. It can't be. Yeah. This can't be empty if it's in an array. Never mind. I'm tripping. Well, no, maybe I'm not tripping. Yeah, because it can be true. I mean, false, empty, and not be in the array. We'll do this. But if it's if I try adding the same person again, then it's going to reset it. Oh shit, that's why. It's because if I add the same person twice, then it resets it. So it must be adding the same person twice. So then I need to do this. Else if... Yeah, they're not in the array. Yeah, whatever. That's my best bet right now. With my brain. Okay, let's try one more time. Alright, go. Oh, now it's failing. It doesn't like my logic. What did I do? False. Else if. False equals. I actually don't know. Oh, yeah. Shoot. Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm trying to check if it exists already in the else if. Yeah, I don't think this is the right thing. I think I had it right the first time. It's basically just, if it's not empty and they're not in the array, add them. Otherwise, reset it. Problem is, if it's not empty, so if false equals empty, but they are in the array, then it's gonna just reset it. So I kinda just need to know if... Oh, I did the wrong one. Also, if true. Right. If it's empty, start it fresh. Yeah. I think this is the right logic. Let's try that again. Try it again. This should be it. Okay, so we got Jeannie, ooh, John, Jeannie, Iona. Did one each. No errors. Let's see what it looks like in here. Boom. That was it. Yeah, it was just that extra checking if they exist or not. Just didn't work. So, okay, cool. So now they're all there. So now that they're all here, all I need to do is test my hazard logic. Because right now, if I switch to Genie, what the fuck? Did it really reset? No, it didn't. Where are they? I guess I still screwed up my list. Hold on. If true equals empty. Why did I do true? If false equals empty. What the hell am I thinking? Okay. Here we go. Stop being stupid. Alright, here we go. I'm going to switch to Genie, and I should not get hurt now. So I am this little Irish woman. Hazard evaded. Alright. She's good. She can do it. Let's switch to Graham. And let's get hurt. Boom. I mean, I can definitely switch in the hazard. I just wanted to, like, see it. But yeah, if you switch in the hazard, then it'll immediately stop getting hurt, probably. Maybe, you're saying maybe I should, like, not allow you to switch if you're in a hazard? I don't know, maybe. Might be a dick move. But it would be more realistic. You shouldn't be able to switch characters in the middle of being burned alive. Technically, he could just transport out of the way. You know. That's it. Checking to see if switching causes damage or doesn't break. Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely start adding some logic for that. Yeah. No, that was good. Oh yeah. We did it. And then we'll push to stage with a celebratory balloon. And good. We're in a good position. Now I can go ahead and on the stage site, I can create the actual like tutorial parts in Thyrus that'll, you know, the little things you need to do in order to kind of learn how to use the strong guy, how to use the fast girl, that kind of things. I definitely need to develop the fast mission, because right now she can go fast, but like there's no reason to go fast. I need to do a time-based thing. I need to create some logic for that, where like you have to click a button over here and then you got to run over and click a button over here in a certain amount of time. You know, make it, you know, make a reason to be fast. Or make like a door closing or some shit, you know. Yeah, exactly. Something's about to explode. You need to get this chemical over to this chemical. You're the only one that can do it. You know. Yeah, we'll do that. But very successful night. Awesome. We have superpowers. We have super people. And I think we finally fixed that stupid crew adding bug. So that's great. I like it. Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for hanging out. So yeah, I don't stream on the weekends, but I'll still probably be releasing shorts and shit, so if that's what you need every day, you'll get it. But yeah, I'll catch you all on Monday. You have a great night and have a great weekend. And I'll catch you when we are all bummed out about going back to work. Alright. See you later, guys. Have a good night.